Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split screens feature on your laptop's display. So in order to use this feature, let me open a couple of windows. Now to use the split screen feature, so to use both of these windows simultaneously, grab the top bar of one window and drag it to the top of your screen. Do not release the left key. Instead, choose the selection, one of the selections, in order to put your window into one of these positions. Now, as you can see, you can place up to 4 applications on your screen at the same time. In my case, I'm gonna choose this position and then click on the other window to put it into the other position. You can resize each window by dragging this bar between them, and basically now you can use both of this. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.